Hi guys! Welcome back! I know you are doing this method every day. Maybe you can guess it. If you guessed typing, then you are correct! Basically, in this video, I will teach you how you can earn money just by typing words. Do you know how much money we're talking about here? Just by typing some words, we can earn up to $30. And the good thing about this is, we can do it again and again. So it means that we can make money every single day from anywhere in the world. I will explain to you exactly how to do it, but you need to watch carefully and listen carefully to everything I will say in this video. Who doesn't want to earn money just by typing some words, right? I personally use it and I really love it. Now, I can guarantee you some money after watching this video, but you really need to do it on your own. So after you watch this video, make sure to open your laptop and do the steps that you learned from this video. I know you are excited to learn a new method today, so what are we waiting for? Let's roll the intro! But before we dive into the video, welcome to Mr. McMoney, where we teach you the latest tips and tricks in making money online. Smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll always be updated whenever I post new content like this. Go ahead and like this video and leave a comment down below if you have any questions. Now let's go back to the video. I will explain to you exactly how to do this method. So make sure that you have your notebooks in front of you to write down some important details that you maybe forget. This website is absolutely free and you do not need any money to invest in this website. Also, you do not need any college degrees that are all about writing. You don't need to be a professional writer in this website. Drop a like below if you love this video and click the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you want more videos on how to make money online. Now let's go back. You can just copy and paste the one word if you don't want to type it yourself. So basically, I will show you exactly how this works. I will guide you through this website on what you will see on your screen. So this is the website that we are going to use. As you can see, this website is an online video maker. But don't worry, you do not need to be a professional video editor. You do not need any skills in that field. You do not need a camera. You do not need to film yourself, and also, you do not need to show any of your face. So don't worry. All you need to do is watch this video, understand everything that I will say so you can be ready to go out there and spend your earned money. As you can see in this preview, we will just customize every template that we will find on this website. We can just change everything from text to font. As we scroll down below, we can see that we can customize everything effortlessly. As I've told you, this is the easiest way to make awesome videos and we do not need any experience. Also below, we can see that we can design every template that we want. From advertising to animated templates, Facebook covers, Facebook stories, photo videos, presentations, and so on and so forth. We will not run out of designs to choose from. Basically, possibilities are endless in this website. This website is really great. As we scroll down below, we can see that this website was created in 2016. We all know that if this website is not legit and this is a scam, this website will have to get destroyed in 2017 or in early 2016. Because this website will get a lot of reports and we will not be happy if this website is actually a scam. That is why we can say that this website is really legit and we can make money out of it. To get started, we will browse onto the top of this website and we will see this button that says Get Started. After clicking it, we will be redirected to this page that says Sign Up. So basically, we will sign up for an account on this website. We can choose a Google account or we can use our Facebook account. Also, we can use our email. If you signed up, it means you agree to this website's terms of service, privacy policy, and refund policy. After signing up, your screen should look like this. As you can see, we have 78 plus free video templates to choose from. These templates are instantly available for customization and download. These templates are actually really good. This is almost 99% done for you. You just need to change its text or maybe add a background image into it so you can make it your own design. But for effects and motions, you do not need to work hard for that. That is what I absolutely love about this website. Here on the left hand side, we can see different categories on which design we would like to customize. If it's for industry, or just a standard design, or maybe a design for seasons. You can choose whatever you like. And this website is called motionden.com. These templates are highly professional. They are 3D high quality templates which you can easily use. So what I want to do is, I want to focus on either intro or outro templates. So forget about all of these different categories. For now, I want you to focus only on intros and outros because those are the easiest ones and those are the ones that will allow you to make $30 or more for a single word. So let's browse and let's find something that's really interesting. I really like this fire motion in this template, so I will choose this dramatic fire logo. I will just click this and your screen should look like this. As you can see, we can select the size of the template that we want. If you want it to be a landscape, square, portrait, and vertical. After that, you can just click edit this video. After you click that, this will be your editing platform for this template. As you can see, you can select an audio to add in this template. So what we will basically do is just edit this text that will be shown in this template. For you to edit the text, you can just look at the left part of this web page and edit the text that you want. I will just type the text that I want and that is it. I've just created this template on my own design. And that is pretty easy, right? Now after typing the text, you want to click on this button right here that says Make Video. After clicking that, your video will now render and this will not take an hour or so. You will just wait for seconds for your video to get finished rendering. After it says your video is ready, you can now take a look and click this button right here that says Watch Now. We can just do this every day and every single time until we want to. Using this website and downloading every template in here is free and we can do it again and again. But the work is not done even if we created a template. We are not yet on the actual website on where we can make money online. But before we get into that website, I just want to get to know my viewers better. So a quick interruption because I will ask a question for you guys. I'm really curious about what country my viewers are watching right now. So comment down below what country you guys are from, because I want to make a video that is specific for the country that I will choose in the comments down below. Now let's go back. This is the actual money-making website that I will share to you. So basically, we will be a freelancer in this website. This website is called quickengigs.com. This website is a freelance services marketplace for professionals. Remember I told you that you do not need to be a professional? Because we are using a website. And that is motionden.com, which makes us instantly a professional. As you scroll down below, you can see that this website is trusted by so many big companies like PayPal, Microsoft, Google, Discord, Facebook, and Unity. If you scroll down again, we can see how Quicken Gigs works. So basically, we will just post a project and we will find and hire. We will be paid safely and that is it. This website can guarantee us payment protection and guaranteed payment. We can know the price up front, and what I actually like is customer service are available 24/7. Because if we have some issues or some problems with this website, customer service are available to answer our questions. To get started, we can search for intros and outros on this website. Because that is the template that we chose in the first website that I taught you, right? As you can see, there are so many people that are posting their talents and their services on this website. Those people are actually making a lot of money. You can see the rates on how much they want to be paid for their service. For you, you will just take 5 seconds of your time to type something and you can get paid for $30. Because on this website, we will be selling our easily created templates and we will sell them online. Those people that are using Quicken Gigs are doing those intros and outros for almost 4 to 5 hours of their time. But we can sell our created template online with just 5 seconds of our time. Also, I have another website to share if you don't want to use Quicken Gigs. This website is called peopleperhour.com. This website is the same as Quicken Gigs. You will just basically post your services, and that is doing some intro and outro for your clients. Now, this is the deal in making videos through MotionDen. To download the videos, we can go in our dashboard and click download. As you can see, we can download this template for 1080p HD without a watermark and the other one that is low quality with a watermark. So to actually download it without a watermark, we need to pay a subscription for $29 per month or $14 for every video that we will download. Imagine if you have to sell every single video for $30, you can still make a profit for $16. And that is actually cool, and that is already big money for 5 seconds of your work. So in a day, if you downloaded 5 videos and sell them online, you can make a profit of $80. So in a month, if you do it daily, you can earn up to $2,400 every month. That is so cool, and that is already big money in a month. So that is how you can make money online just by selling those templates online. And that's it! If you liked the video and if you learned something, smash the like button for me and click subscribe. Don't forget the notification bell, okay? As always, if you have any questions, concerns, and comments, just go to the comment section down below. Now we'll see you in the next video. Bye!